Are you a teenager who is struggling with breakouts and persistent redness? Have suddenly lost the glow that you used to have after turning into a teen? Then don't worry, because we've all been there. Today I'm going to share the exact mistakes you need to avoid to protect your skin's natural balance. Because it's really easy to fix your routine and your skin once you know what you've been doing wrong. So let's get the quiz started and transform your skin together. Mistake number 1, washing your face too much. When you're a teenager, the most common skin issue you will face is overly oily face. The hormones will kick in, the sebum will be produced in a crazy amount, and the result? Persistent breakouts, whiteheads, blackheads, and closed comedons. However, don't treat your face like it's in a never-ending washing cycle, because that's not the solution. Although I get it, when your skin has so much oil, your first instinct is to scrub that face like you're trying to remove permanent marker. But this is actually going to make things worse. Overwashing your face will strip your skin of its natural oils, then your skin barrier will get damaged. Your skin will start losing more water throughout the day, and then your skin is not just oily, it's also dehydrated. You'll experience more acne, more redness, more irritation, more frustration. So what should you do instead? If you can survive washing your face in the morning with just water, then great. But if not, then wash your face maximum twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night, with a gentle cleanser. Keep the washing routine short and simple. You will notice that your skin will start to feel less oily when you've stopped overwashing it. Mistake number 2, the sunscreen skip. Are you a teenager but not using sunscreen currently? Trust me, you're making the biggest mistake in your skincare journey. But I don't burn easily. But I like getting tan. But it makes me break out. I've heard all these excuses and I've used them myself. But here's the truth. UV rays don't just cause sunburns. They cause invisible and irreversible damages that will show up a few years later as premature aging, dark spots, dehydrated, irritated, saggy skin, and will also make your acne scars and hyperpigmentation so much worse. So don't skip the SPF. Use at least SPF 50 every single day. Even if it's snowy, even if it's cloudy, even if you're just watching by your window and binging Netflix, those sneaky UV rays can penetrate glass. Future you will send a thank you card with a happy glowy face, I promise. Mistake number 3, product overload. Do you believe in more is better approach? Please don't. I know. Scrolling through TikTok makes you want to buy everything. That new serum, that viral toner, that new mask, everyone raving about it. It's exciting, it's addictive. But using too many products at once is like 10 people shouting the instructions at you simultaneously. Your skin gets confused and frustrated. And this is especially true for actives like retinol, vitamin C, or salicylic acid. Using them all together can turn your face into a red, angry mess. In fact, unless you have specific skin condition like acne, breakouts, or redness, dehydration, you don't even need acne products when you're a teenager. Keep it simple. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen for your daily routine. Want to add treatments? Do it one at a time and give your skin at least 2 to 3 weeks to adjust before adding anything new. Remember that a 3-step skincare routine that you actually follow is better than a 12-step extensive skincare routine that you're too overwhelmed to follow. Mistake number 4, the pimple picking crime. I know. It's very hard to ignore a pimple. It's like it's staring at you every time you pass a mirror. But picking at your pimple is basically creating more problem for the future. It causes scarring, infection, and ironically, more breakouts. So what can you do instead? You can carefully add gentle forms of active products like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide face wash and using it 3 to 4 times a week. Or 5% niacinamide for controlling excess sebum. Please be patient. I know it's hard, but only being consistent with your skincare routine with gentle products will yield benefits in the long run. Mistake number 5, sleeping with makeup on. This is a mistake I definitely made when I was a teenager. Sometimes it's late, you are exhausted, and the bathroom feels like miles away. But sleeping with makeup on is like inviting pore clogging particles to an all-night party on your face. It prevents your skin from performing its natural nighttime repair process and can lead to breakouts, premature aging, and dullness. Even if you're super tired, take those 2 minutes to remove your makeup. Future you will be so glad you did. One pro tip, keep your micellar water and cotton pad by your bed for those nights when you can't even. It's not perfect, but it's way better than nothing. Mistake number 6, ignoring that diet-skin connection. Your diet affects your skin more than most skincare products ever will. Mind-blowing, right? Sugar, greasy foods may trigger breakouts for some people. It's like your skin is keeping a food diary even when you aren't. So try including more fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats in your diet. Think of them like your internal skincare products that your body actually likes. And hydration. Drinking water is like giving your skin cells a refreshing shower from inside out. So make sure you're drinking enough water daily and watch your skin plump up and glow. Mistake number 7, skipping moisturizer for oily skin. My skin is already oily. Why would I add more moisture? I regret this mistake so much because skipping moisturizer can make oily skin dehydrated. Yes, oily skin can get dehydrated too because no moisture shield means a vulnerable skin barrier, more transepidermal water loss, dehydration, and breakouts. So even if you have oily skin but your skin feels rough and dull, then it's a cue for you that you need to choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores or make it greasy but will keep your skin moisturized and hydrated. Mistake number 8, the impatience problem. We live in an instant gratification world, but your skin didn't get this way overnight and it won't transform overnight either. Skincare products typically takes 4 to 6 weeks to show noticeable results. If you keep switching products every few days or weeks, you're basically confusing your skin and wasting your money. So give your products time to actually work. Mistake number 9, neglecting your tools. Your makeup brushes, pillowcases, phone screen. These are all secret bacteria magnets that could be sabotaging your skin's health. When was the last time you washed your makeup brushes or your pillowcase? Make it a habit to clean these weekly and wipe your phone screen daily. These small changes can make a huge difference in preventing breakouts. Mistake number 10, making skincare too complicated. Skincare doesn't need to be complicated. When you're a teenager, your skin's natural healing ability is at its peak. So no need to turn yourself into a Sephora kid or start an anti-aging routine. The truth is, consistency with a simple routine will get you farther than a bathroom cabinet full of unused or half-used products. Remember, taking care of your skin is a journey, not a destination. By avoiding these mistakes, you're already on the right path to healthier, clearer skin. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss the future uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and don't forget to love the skin you're in. This is Diba signing off today from Diba's Quest.